Thanks, Andy, for joining us today. So today we are talking about how to bring design thinking into your workplace. So what are some methodologies or things that you suggest to really bring design thinking into someone's workplace so that you can foster creativity?
Well, the first thing I would say is you have to let go of fear, right? So you have to let go of the fear that you're going to be wrong, right? Because that's a big one. And also the fear that you're going to fail. Because the truth is you're going to do both. And that's okay. It's okay to fail. It's okay. It's part of the process. But the thing is, you just need to try it. You need to put yourself out there. So design thinking kind of favors the bold. Another thing I would say is just getting started. I like to think of this analogy of it's something I heard recently where a mother duck, for instance, right? Does a mother duck look at her ducks and go, okay, let's all get in a line? You know, like a mother duck just turns around and starts walking, right? So I think it's important to just get started, put your one foot in front of the other and just try it.
Get your ducks in a row, if you will.
Get your ducks in a row, right. Another important thing, or at least a simple way to start, is to just introduce little activities. An easy activity to do would be something like a post-up, right? That's just getting ideas on Post-its, sticking them on the wall, and then just, you know, there's no wrong answer. You just put whatever you can on the wall, and then you go through afterwards and kind of talk about them, sort them, find the patterns, stuff like that. Another great thing that I like to do whenever there's like a decision that needs to be made or it's unclear really what a next step should be, I like to draw like a matrix, right? So along the x-axis, I might put something like difficulty. Along the y-axis, I might say something like impact. And then we'll take the things that need to be done or the ideas that we could accomplish and we put them on that matrix so we can kind of see where they stand and where the best opportunity to start might be. Another important thing would be evangelize. That's something that you probably see me do a lot in the office, right? Is I just don't shut up about it. Don't shut up about it, but if every chance you get, just talk about it, right? Whenever somebody's telling you about a hard problem or something that they're dealing with in their workspace, you know, just share what you've been doing. Or really what I love to do is just stick things on the wall, right? So you go to a session, there's Post-its everywhere and all that, and you just pull them off the wall and you bring them and put them somewhere where everybody can see them.
Yeah.
And it creates conversation and you see people's eyes light up with curiosity because they really want to be a part of it. So it kind of helps you identify, okay, who are the people that I can invite next time? Who are the people that are really interested in being engaged? And you'll be surprised at how contagious it is when you just show people. And the last thing I would just say is make it fun, make it weird. You know, it's already uncomfortable to do something out of your norm. You know, going to a meeting is easy, right? Because nine times out of your 10, you're on your phone or you're just zoning out. But when you're sitting in front of people and just engaging and putting ideas out there, especially when it's coming from this place of you wanting to add something, you wanting to help, it's important to make it fun. Because it is uncomfortable. And being weird especially helps kind of melt the barriers that people naturally have to feeling uncomfortable. So being weird just helps melt those barriers and get people more engaged so they can get to that innovative place.
Well, I have to say, what you've brought to our internal business and to our clients has been something that made me uncomfortable and makes our clients uncomfortable, but is wonderful and is a real problem-solving way of going about it. So thank you for joining us here today, and we can't wait to see you again soon.